Oil is now down 7+%, 7.33%. We had the Iraqis now saying we're at record output, so it's the Iraqis, the Iranians, and much more. Jeff Sica is much more. He's with us now to tell us what stocks you should be watching. You had warned our viewers on this show a couple of months ago, stay out for now. At any point, are you seeing any signs of a bottoming here?
No, as a matter of fact, this is the time to be more cautious. See, what we have happening now is, first and foremost, there's this mass acknowledgement that the Fed has failed. They've not only lost credibility, but their attempt to stimulate the economy, their attempt to adjust asset prices to what they want has failed. And as investors realize that, they sell. And number two, we have earnings. Tomorrow we have Apple. I think we're going to probably see the first decline in iPhone sales that we've seen in history, which could be impactful. And ultimately, when you see these declines in revenue that we've seen, showing that we are in what I would call an earnings recession. The past 2 quarters, we've been in an earnings recession. That's going to continue. We've seen nothing but guidance, lowering guidance as time goes on. That's going to be
This may be a ridiculous question, but I'll preface it by saying that in advance of tomorrow's numbers after the bell, would you sell Apple if you had a couple of shares?
I would say at this point I would not sell. I would wait to see what they come out at, because they have fallen significantly, but I think there could be some pain, and if those numbers are worse than expected, I certainly would think about selling.
We're down 203 points, just off session lows. It appears that oil continues to drag these down, but when you are ready, you're not now, but when you are ready to buy, what stocks are you going to pounce on?
Well, I was an early purchaser of Netflix. I've always loved Netflix. I love what they're doing with content. I see the growth. I like the fact that they've declined. Netflix, I certainly want to buy again at some point. Not now, but I want to buy it at some point. ExxonMobil, the energy, we're crawling through the wreckage of energy right now, trying to see what's buyable. We know there's going to be a lot of bankruptcies. ExxonMobil is going to survive. They have boatloads of cash. They can pay that close to 4% dividend. We feel confident with that. And I still think there's a chance with Amazon. Ultimately, I think there's a chance with Amazon.
I think it's interesting. The Dow at its low point, at its high point today, was down 7 points. So clearly, as we see, there's an acceleration here. Still too dangerous to get in.
Still too dangerous. And I think investors have to realize how far the market has come up to this point. I'm not someone who likes to panic, but I would say you need to protect yourself in this long of an advance.
Months ago, Jeff Sica warned you, stay out. You've been right on that. We shall see. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Jeff Sica of Circle Square.